Welcome to Tuesday's Market SITREP here at Top Gun Options. Matthew Buckley, call sign Wiz, the primary and weekly options model portfolio manager here at TGO. And market kind of wallowing around right now on a mixed bag of economic data that came out today, but just as important, FOMC member George, I believe from the Kansas Fed, talking about tapering sooner rather than later. So the Fed clown car continues. Obviously, unless you're in a cave, you know that about 3 weeks ago, the Bernanke came out and said, hey, the end is near as far as our, open-ended asset purchases. And, of course, world markets and our markets went through a temper tantrum. And then all his lieutenants ran out, like, Fisher and Yellen and all the other ones, and said, hey, no, just kidding. We're not going anywhere anytime soon. And then we had this rip-your-face-off rally. Well, now, along with kind of lukewarm earnings, including Goldman Sachs today, the market's really starting to the market doesn't like confusion, right? The market doesn't like uncertainty. So the Bernanke saying, hey, we're going to end our tapering resulted in some certainty, but at least, the market pulled back and we weren't going to completely implode. But when you send out your lieutenants to backtrack or take back some of what you said, that's going to produce uncertainty. And as you can tell, with the SPOOs down 8 and the Dow down about 45 right now, I mean, the VIX is up a nice 4.5–5%. So starting to see a return to volatility. In my primary live trade brief on Tuesday, we put on a bullish double vertical on the VIX, and that's one of our greenest positions today. So this is kind of a hedge, right? VIX bullish double vertical spread that's up, $625, and what's that, about 17% in, actually it was yesterday. Sorry, did our primary live trade brief yesterday afternoon. So nice gain in one day there with a hedge on volatility, because folks, between that and this is August VIX expiration for that trade. Between now and August, we're going to continue seeing these mixed messages, whether it's out of the Fed, whether it's out of weak earnings, out of financials. We had some great home builder news out of the NAHB report, but yeah, NAHB ignores recent housing shock and thinks the happiest thought since 2006. I mean, we've seen really an unprecedented spike in mortgage rates and a collapse in mortgage applications, and this is good news. So the NHB really isn't. I'm going to discount that report, but this is a chart that should really wake you up. This is our market on quantitative easing. This is the quote good that's going on in our economy. Look at the GDP consensus estimates for Q2 of 2013, Q3, and Q4. But look at this. This is just absolutely insane. So as the stock market keeps going up, our GDP is going down, our macroeconomic data is going down. It's just insane. It's absolutely insane that our stock markets and our economy can be so disconnected. But as I'm telling my traders here at Top Gun Options, the end is near. Someday the economy and the stock market have to be in the same universe, and it's not going on right now, but it's going to happen, and it's not a matter of if, but when. So Mr. Bernanke really needs to get his stuff in one sock, so to speak, and really knock off the uncertainty that he's putting into this market here. I think one of the biggest failures of the Bush administration, along with Hank Paulson, was getting involved in capitalism. TARP started this whole thing, and this whole rally is built on absolutely nothing. You guys are on Main Street. It's tough out there, and that underneath this right triangle, so to speak, is nothing but the Hindenburg flying around New Jersey, and it's going to dock soon. But at least us here, Top Gun Options, we're gonna have a chair. Trust me when the music stops. Hey, do me a favor. Thursday, we're going to be having a webinar with Clifford Bennett. He's our new equity or our stocks guru here at Wealth Creation Investing. So go to wealthcreationinvesting.com/opt-in, and you can sign up for our webinar so you can come hear what Clifford has to say from down under. He's a very recognized guy all over CNBC, all over Bloomberg. Really, really smart guy, and does an bang-up job selecting stocks. So I will be there. He's a great dude. Thursday, July 18th at 9 p.m. Eastern. So go ahead and go to wealthcreationinvesting.com/opt-in, and you can go ahead and sign up and come see Clifford. Okay, got to run. I'll be back tomorrow with our Wednesday Market SITREP. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and I'll see you.